Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about turning $20 into over $500,000. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below. So now, roll the intro, let's jump into it. Come on. So I understand that a lot of people think that turning $20 into over $500,000, $500,000 seems like a challenge that is virtually impossible. And I'm here to tell you that it's really not, as long as you have a couple of these things. The very first thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna wanna start investing now. The best time to invest is now. The sooner you get started, the more money you can start producing and building this, snowball and building this compound interest and producing cash flow, building wealth. The sooner you start investing, the more money you will have for retirement. Now with retirement, you're gonna need a certain account type. You're gonna want a IRA account. An IRA account is just a tax incentive retirement account. This is not like your everyday account like on Robinhood or SoFi. These are going to be tax incentive retirement accounts that you only can put in about $6,000 per year, but over the course of 40 years can add up to millions of dollars. So me personally, I like to use a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is different than a traditional IRA. A Roth IRA is pretty much you pay the taxes in the beginning and not when you retire, because I feel like when I retire, I don't want to pay taxes. I want to use all my money and just to go out and have fun. And another account type with an IRA is a traditional IRA. So a traditional IRA is honestly just the complete opposite. So you pay the taxes when you retire and not when you're younger. I think Roth IRA is the best way to go because you don't have to worry about it when you're retired. Just get it done early. And now with your account, you're still gonna need a broker. Now a broker is just gonna be allowing you to buy and sell stock. I like M1 Finance and TD Ameritrade. There's a ton of them out there and all of them are very, very similar. There's really no big difference. The biggest thing is you don't wanna get charged like a fee to use a IRA account. Like a company like Acorns, they charge you about $2 per month. I know it's not much, but that could still add up to thousands of dollars, over the course of 40 years. And the biggest thing that a lot of people need to understand is they think, okay, I have an IRA account, I have money in it, and that's it, right? It's building wealth, it's building me money. No, you still need to pick and choose your investments, but don't worry, investing is very, very simple, and I'll really kind of tell you why. The very first thing you're not gonna do is you're not gonna try to beat the market. The reason why is because 95% of massive hedge funds that their main goal is to beat the market don't even beat it. So of that 5% that actually beat it, 3% don't beat it the following year, and that other 2% are those massive hedge funds that you and I, the average Joe, can't really talk to. Like these are companies like, Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, companies that are just massive, and hedge funds that are massive. So don't worry, investing is very, very simple as long as you just have that long-term mindset. The best thing to do is to just invest, right? Invest in the S&P 500. The reason why the S&P 500 is so great is because over the course of 90 years through all the S&P 500, it's had an annual return rate of about 9.8%, which is beautiful. That's a great return on your money, and you don't even have to worry about it. You don't have to try to pick and choose different stocks, buy low, sell high. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is invest $20 per week over the course of 40 years, investing in the S&P 500. That gets a 9.8% return, and you will retire with over $500,000 all tax-free. Now you can use this strategy on several accounts. You can use it on a TD Ameritrade, M1 Finance, you can use it on everyone. The biggest thing you need to know though is an IRA account. You want that tax incentive because you don't want to, build up 500 grand and have to pay, over 50% of that profit to the government. You're gonna want to go out, travel, move to Florida and just be old and retire. So the biggest thing, guys, is just to start investing. Make sure you have that IRA account and just invest in the S&P 500. And I know a lot of people always like to say, well, Carter, no, I want to buy when the S&P 500 is undervalued. No, that's not the thing. Time in the market is better than timing the market. And I'll leave that there. Let that sink in. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. It's very, very simple on how to do it. You just have to have that long-term mindset. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you guys ask them down below. And we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.